Okay, good morning. It is day 38 and I'm here at Songimvelo Nature Reserve. I've got to say I'm quite disappointed so far. Yes, it's been the most expensive park to enter with regards to game viewing and your permit to enter. And I don't see where the money is going towards because most of the signs I've come across, the markers that tell you which loop to take or which road to take, um, it's on the ground or it's broken, or the letters, the numbering on the signs are faded out. So yes, it makes it then obviously it makes it very difficult to explore the park. So that you also don't get a map when you enter that tells you, at least you can see then where you're going or heading towards. So yes, very disappointed with regards to that, but it's a beautiful day, and still going to see what I can find with regards to getting some beautiful sightings. So yes, and tonight I'll be staying at Barberton. They've got a camp. There's a camping site on one of the hills over there. So very, very beautiful from what I've seen. So looking forward to getting there as well. Okay, good morning everyone. I'm here in Barberton. I'm staying at the Bushwhackers campsite, situated about 2 kilometers outside of town. And yes, I went to Songimvelo Nature Reserve yesterday morning. And like I said, I was very, very disappointed with how they marked out the routes, and the signs are poorly maintained. Everything is either broken or it's on the ground, so that makes it very, very difficult to explore the park, which obviously doesn't help in making it a pleasant experience. So, and then I'm gonna head towards through Nelspruit because I need to pick up a bean bag, the bean bag that I bought about a month ago. These bean bags from Badger. I've had this. It's not cheap as well. I use some duct tape just so it's a temporary fix. But yes, luckily they've sent me one already from Joburg, so I need to go pick it up in Nelspruit and drop this one. Okay, everything is good. I just picked up the new beanbag from Outdoor Photo, so hopefully this one won't break after having it for just 1 month. Okay, so just arrived at the Sarby River Camp, and it is so beautiful over here. Wow. They've also got these already set up tents that you can book for a night, and there they are. They look like that. And then you just have normal camping as well. Plenty of space, open space. It's a nice thing about traveling. When it's not school holidays or when it's not weekend, you get to experience all these places, mostly by yourself or only a couple of other people.
You, you're at home then, at home with yourself, rather than always trying to get home, because it's the ego state, so to speak. It's I'm trying to get home, but where is home? You never feel this is where I belong. This is where you might think sometimes the physical.
Okay, so that was fun. I enjoyed that. I was finally able to catch some trout, so yes, thoroughly enjoyed that. Very, very hot, but yes, an amazing day so far. So we're not too bad. But if you guys are in this area, if you come through Sarby, I definitely recommend you guys to come to Horseshoe Trout and About. They are situated about 9 kilometers outside of Sarby, outside of the town. So yes, definitely recommend you guys to come and check it out. Okay, good morning everyone. It's Friday, it's weekend, so got a few awesome things planned for today and tomorrow. The weather has been perfect, so it's good to get out early in the morning, because during midday it's just too hot. It's crazy temperatures. So I've already left campsite. It's just after 6, and I'm on my way to Bourke's Potholes. It's beautiful. It's situated just before the Rivier. It's a 40 kilometers from Sarby, 45 kilometers from Sarby. And yes, depending on how long I'll be staying there today, I'll definitely head to God's Window for sunset this afternoon. Okay, just finished the viewing here at Bourke's Potholes, and wow, it is so beautiful. Can't believe that floods over the course of thousands of years have caused the stones and the rocks to tumble down and swirl around, that created the potholes. So yes, it's interesting. But I'm the only one here because I came as soon as it opened. I was the first one here, so it's nice to experience it all alone. And like I said, it's weekend, so that's why I came here as early as I could, so I can avoid the majority of people. But yes, okay, so now on going further up to the canyon, so heading up towards Rivier Canyon. Okay, so I just noticed as soon as I left the valley after Bourke's Potholes, and as soon as I came out on the other side, there's just smoke and smog everywhere in the sky. So obviously there's a fire somewhere in the Rivier Canyon or up in the canyon, and it's definitely not going to be worth it if you can't see anything. I want to have the best experience as possible, and for that I need clear skies. So yes, it's not going to be wise driving there, paying the entrance, and then not having a clear view. So I'd rather wait until tomorrow or the day after and just call the office and ask them if the smoke has cleared. Yes, I think the plan for now is I'm going to head back towards Sarby, and I'm going to do most of the waterfalls. I'm going to do the Berlin Falls, Lisbon Falls, as well as the Mac Falls, and then God's Window this afternoon. I think that'll be nice. So yes. Okay, so now, like I said, I think I'd rather do the waterfalls this morning, and yes, now I'm here at the Berlin Falls, which is just outside of Graskop, the town, and you only pay 15 Rand entrance, and yes, it's just take a look at this. Okay, so that was beautiful, and it's probably about 700 meters, 800 meters the trail that you just have to walk down. But yes, and it's hot, it's very hot, so it's about 35, 36 degrees, and when you get here, a nice cool mist from the waterfall hits you as well with the wind, which is very nice, but extremely beautiful. Okay, so just got back to campsite. What a day it's been. It's been productive, to say the least. So yes, I think I'm gonna do Rivier Canyon tomorrow if the weather allows, as well as God's Window. So those two things will be on the schedule for tomorrow. But this morning I took out one of the trouts I caught yesterday. I'm just quickly gonna prepare that. I'm gonna put that on the coals tonight, and I'm looking forward to that. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed episode 6, and stay tuned for next week's episode, because tomorrow morning I'm heading to the Kruger National Park for 2 weeks. It's going to be awesome, and I cannot wait. Also, if you enjoy this series, please feel free to like and subscribe to see more of this journey. Thanks for watching. I honestly appreciate it. Cheers.